welcome to Stockology and a quick update to the market so far and what we expect next. So nothing much has changed. I mean, I'm keeping the bearish bias as it is, but let us see what are the levels we can go for. We had expected Nifty to reach to the target of bearish target 1, that is 18660, and if we break below this, we had expected the target of 18550. So 18660 is been respected very well so far, but we haven't broken below it. In case of Bank Nifty, we had expected that this 44833 will act as an important resistance. That is what precisely had happened. We had seen a great rally, but it couldn't break above this resistance. So my level of resistance is same in case of Bank Nifty. Level of bearish targets are also same. So I'm expecting first bearish target of 43400. Only and only if we break below this, then we can quickly see 43200. In Nifty, what is significant is we haven't still got the lower low. This level has been tested thrice and we couldn't sustain below it yet. So let us not be very aggressively bearish unless and until we break below this level and the price action sustains. Then and then only we can expect the price action at around lower levels. Now there are two scenarios, like what if there is a gap up tomorrow, then we can expect price to be sideways to bearish with the important resistance of this. So we had seen this kind of lower high formation in case of Nifty. So 18750 will act as a important resistance. So let me mark this level. This is the lower high level and hence it will act as a important resistance. So the view going forward is very simple. Any rally coming towards this point, okay, on confirmation can be the opportunity to sell on the rise. And if we directly break below this level, then we can slip to the lower targets. So let's keep it simple like that. And also tomorrow is Monday. Next week, new week, and we will get a new CPR that will also guide us to have the important levels marked. So currently only these three levels I am keeping on my chart. This important resistance of 18750, bearish target of 18660, and if we break below, then another bearish target of 18550. In case of Bank Nifty, the resistance level is same, 44,083. First bearish target 43400 and next is 43200. Currently I am being very conservative on both sides, resistance and support, unless and until we have a very good closing on either side. Either is it a breakout or breakdown, let us see, time will tell. But unless and until we have a good closing above or below the range, then and only we can look for some bigger targets. For now, let us keep the targets very conservative. So that's it for market so far. Thank you.